Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to install Drupal CMS on Debian 12. Drupal is content management software. It's used to make many of the websites and applications you use every day. Drupal has great standard features like easy content authoring, reliable performance, and excellent security. Check the OS version by using following command. Update packages by using following command. Install prerequisites by using following command. Download Drupal by using following command. Move Drupal files to web directory by using following command. Log into MySQL by using following command. Create a database by using following command. Create a user by using following command. Make run privileges by using following command. Plus privileges by using following command. Quit MariaDB by using following command. Configure Apache for Drupal by using following command. Paste the content, replace with actual domain or IP address. Enable the configuration file by using following command. Enable the rewrite by using following command. Restart the Apache by using following command. Make the host entry by using following command. Quit the file. Go to the browser. Give the domain name. Select the languages. Select the installation profile as standard. Save. Given the database name. Database username. Database password. Save and continue. Given the site name. Given the site email address. Given the site maintenance account username. Password. Save and continue. This is the dashboard of Drupal CMS. This is the steps to install Drupal CMS on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.